Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a toothpaste, and a toothbrush. First, I'm drawing the toothbrush. Let's draw some toothpaste on it. Here is the tooth. Now I'm drawing the toothpaste. There is a heart on it. Let's color now. Green. I love to brush my teeth, it feels so clean. Red. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Blue. Purple. Blue. Pink. Red. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Red for heart. Blue. Yellow. Purple. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes long. That's how I keep my teeth healthy. Green. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.